So for the 100-day trial, the brief is basically we took one of our existing recipes, Little Faith, our 4% hazy pale, and we did a version of it where we replaced 100% of the hot pellets with liquid alternatives. I've never done anything like it before. And even though I was a regular user of Teenage products and a big fan, I fully expected the results to be lacking in a bit of depth. I thought we'd struggle to achieve the same intensity of haze that we achieve in our core beer. And yeah, I fully expected there to be gaps and some deficiencies, and be a very pleasant beer, but just not quite, you know, a pelleted beer. And obviously the results were the opposite of that. You know, like particularly trying it out of the fermenter, where all the hopping had come from hot side from the whirlpool, like all from the flow additions. Yeah, I still remember tasting it. Still, it's how much depth flavour was in there, how clean it was, how smooth it was, how juicy and tropical it was, and yeah, it almost tasted like a finished beer there and then. Like, you know, we've still had aroma additions to come and a week or two of conditioning and so on, but instantly completely changed my view on whether, you know, like to the level we could use liquid hops on the hot side of the brewing process, and the fact that we could use them 100% and not lose anything. Yeah, it was a real eye opener. Really changed my view, and coming from a place of being in favour of it anyway. But yeah, really big surprise.